Well, it's a miserable rainy day outside, but there's some excitement here. I've got my washer jets from China, so let's have a look and see what this package contains. Well, that's the thing, as soon as it comes out of the bag, I guess it looks similar. Let's take them out of the bag and see what the quality feels like. I read some comments about these things producing more of a jet than a mist. So I've done a test. I've just got a glass of water and put some water in my mouth and blown it through. And it's a kind of, not quite a mist, but mostly a jet. I'll show you what I mean. Well, there you go. So, mostly a jet and a little bit of misting at the sides. Anyway, I'll fit them and see how that goes. But I'll just put up a quick video just to show what they're like. But for £2 or whatever it was, I'm not complaining. Well, here's a comparison of original, which is this one, and then this is new. So I think it's fair to say you get less hose. This hose this feels really hard rubber. This one's much more pliable. I would say it looks like it's thicker. Well, actually it's a thinner wall on the original one. So what I think I'll do is I'll probably take this off and put it on there. The rubber on the new one doesn't feel as good as the rubber on the original one. So I'll take the hose off here and put that hose on there, and I'll change the gasket and I'll put it into place and see how it goes. Well, here we are, we're in the car. I've just fitted it back. I've done an earlier video of how to remove it, etc. So we don't need to do that here. Ignition's on. Now, that's strange, because now that one's doing that. This one is crap. So I wonder if it's actually a wiper balance thing, where there's more coming through here normally because that one's blocked, and then now that one's free, this one's crap. I mean, the jet's fine. It does have a little bit to the sides, so I'll maybe change both, see what happens then. But that's disappointing. Well, that's both the AliExpress washer jets fitted. Turn on the ignition. If I was being critical, I would say they look maybe a little bit on the low side. That one, you can definitely see it goes kind of three ways. Yeah, it goes three ways as well. It can maybe do with being slightly further up the screen, but it's definitely working better than it was. So I think what my recommendation would be is have a look at your local scrapyard and get a couple of washer jets from there. But in other news, I have fixed my air leak, so I'll try starting it first turn. Start straight away. So everything good there now. So yeah, if you want replacement jets that function fine, but they don't mist perfectly. AliExpress, a couple of quid. I'll send a link in the description if anybody's interested. But did take an awful long time to get here actually, for some reason. Took 10 days before they left China. So I think I was not much farther off a month, I think, but I'll double check that. So anyway, any questions, please feel free to ask, and also feel free to like and subscribe if that's your thing.